Hi. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Hanifa, good morning. Venkat, good morning. Srimani, good morning. Satyanarayan, good morning. Good morning. Bagunara. Bhavna, good morning. Pawan, good morning. Pranu, good morning. Kavya, good morning. Jayas, good morning. Yashashvi, good morning. Chandu, good morning. Ovia, good morning. Trimunjana, Johnny, good morning. Jalani, SK, good morning. Narshima Rao, good morning. Good morning. Everyone, good morning. Bagunara. Mohit Sai, good morning. Grace, good morning. Bagunara, everyone, Manchi at home. Yeah, good morning. Yeah. Bagunara, everyone, Manchi at home. Yeah, good morning, Balaji. Good morning, Naga, Darshi. Good morning, Shreyas Iyer. Oh my God, Shreyas Iyer is attending my class. No problem. Bhavna, good morning. Good morning. Bagunara. Everyone, Manchi at home. Bagun Naam, sir. Okay, very good. I am also good. Directly proportional. If students are Manchi, teacher will be also Manchi. Directly proportional. Miru Bagundi, Nenu Bagundi. Miru Manchi, Nenu Manchi. No problem. Yeah. And in between, two things happened till last class and today class. Two things happened. One thing, OMR is released, means official key is released, and RCB won. Two things happened in between. No problem. Yeah, both are happy things for all of us because we were waiting for OMR and we were also waiting for RCB, not RCB, Virat Kohli to win the trophy of IPL. So both things happened. No problem. Yeah. So Mohit Sai is saying getting less marks. Come on, those who have checked their OMR, you can tell your marks. I will just see how many marks you are getting. Then I can comment on it. थोड़ा सा बता दो मार्क्स कितने कितने आ गए भाई OMR से मिलाने पे. आफ्टर चेकिंग विथ OMR फाइनल मार्क्स हाउ मच कमिंग एज पर द ऑफिशियल की. काव्या 439, दैट्स अ वेरी गुड मार्क्स. Almost on the border. Alexander 244, Kudiga Lesundi, but you have to work hard and next year you have to reach to 600. Nandi 427, that's also good marks. Okay, always remember paper was tough, so more than 400 is a good marks in this paper. Dikshit 385, okay, keep on doing your hard work, no problem. Next year you have to reach to 600. Srimani 450, very good marks, very border, but don't wait for the final counseling. You can start your study. Means Srimani is getting 450, very close to the cutoff. But don't wait. Don't waste your 2-3 times in the counseling. Counseling you can attend. If seat will come, then Manchi. Otherwise, next year you'll go to better medical college. So many people I'm getting more than 400. Murli 429, very good. Rushita 400, Sridevi 401, Resto in 408, 300, say little less, work hard. Anju 417, that's also good marks, no problem. Grace 370, that's good. You have done good, bhai. In this paper, more than 350 was good marks. Yeah, because bio was also tough, chemistry was also tough, and after that physics become toughest. So that's why. So don't worry. Yeah. Nandi 427, good marks. Tarini 445, very good marks. Maybe very close to the cutoff, but maybe. Yeah, don't wait for final thing. Start your hard work. No problem. Yeah. So many people are saying Pawan 422 good, 391 very good, Kakara 387 very good. Work hard. This year work hard. This year you may have got less marks, but now 11 months work hard, cross 600. Next year, no problem. Yeah. Sandeep 401 marks, good marks, no problem. Yeah. Shiva Parvati 470, very good. You are very close to the cutoff. Maybe you will get the seat. Chances are there you'll get the seat, but don't wait till 3 months counseling will be over. No, start studying. That's why you are studying also. Very good. Dinkar 330, good marks. Have the motivation. Sandeep 401 marks, good. Nandini, you got 90 marks in physics. Chala good. Nandini, that's a very good marks. Shivam 502, very good marks. Yeah. So I think for this we will have a meeting also. Naren sir yesterday was planning to have a meeting in the evening, today evening. one meeting will be there. Maybe he will say some revised cutoff also. He will tell you about answer key, how to challenge and everything. But I am finding people have done good. People have done good. Maybe it's a matter of 4, 5 questions, 6 questions. Work hard this year and get very good marks in the next year. No problem. Yeah. Okay. So in the meet, as I talked with Naren sir, he was planning to have a meeting today evening where he may comment on the revised cutoff, how to challenge the key if someone is feeling some problem is there in OMR. So all those things will be discussed during the meeting. Is it okay? Is it okay? 330, that's good marks, no problem. For long, of course, for all outgoing batches, long-term, senior inter, junior inter can also attend. They will get the experience. Virat Kohli has what till now? He was having experience. So you can also, junior inter also can have experience by attending the class because IPL also not there. So क्या करोगे घर पे भाई? In place of watching useless shorts, you see the meeting, you will get some idea. No problem, yeah. Chankeshwar Rao 460 very border, but okay, I hope you can, I pray you can get the seat. You should get the seat, but okay, let's see. 490 definitely vaste. In Naren sir language, 3 and 490 marks definitely it will take. You will get the seat, no problem, yeah. So, but still, if some doubt is there in your mind, you can carry on your study. Don't stop your study, no problem, yeah. Shivam, yeah, very good, no problem. Nothing to give up. We should never give up in the life. You will become doctor. After one patient you will treat, first time he will not get satisfied with your treatment. That doesn't mean you will give up. You will continue your hard work. Mahendra's good, my son is getting very good marks, sir. Your son M. Shankar is getting 543. Definitely seat will come. Manchi seat vaste. Manchi seat vaste. In Telugu language, Manchi seat vaste. Yeah. 449, that's very good. Very close to the border. So don't wait. Maybe you can get the seat also. But don't wait. Keep on your study. If seat will come, then very good. No problem. Yeah. So all these things will be discussed in detail in the evening meeting. Is it okay? Kavya 439, very close to the cutoff. Let's see. In the evening, Naren sir is planning for a meeting. There everything will, SC will come. 381 SC will come. Kata sir, definitely SC 381. I feel, Naren sir will tell you exactly, but I feel it will come. 387, 381 for SC, seat will come. No problem. Who is put, Srujana 554 general, definitely it will come by. अब क्या कॉलेज में जाके बोलोगे कि I got the seat? Definitely 554 you will get a very good college. So don't worry about that. Cutoff, how much? What will be revised cutoff, category cutoff, how to challenge OMR, how to feel the challenging of OMR, all these things will be told in the today evening. Today evening one meeting will be there. I will be also there in the meeting. Sir will tell you in detail. Is it okay? 449 good chance is there. 449 good chance is there to get the seat. Is it okay, bol do bhai? Otherwise, we'll start discussing. This discussion will go for entire 1.5 hours. We don't have time for that. For that, especially time is allotted in the evening. Is it okay? So wait for that meeting, attend that meeting. Sir will also have some doubt clarification on Zoom. You can ask directly from Naren sir also. Point is, those who are feeling very close to the cutoff, don't wait, start studying, Maybe this year you could have got least college, but by working hard for 11 months, you can get best college. By working hard for 11 months, you can get best college. So that's why don't wait, start studying, no problem. Yeah. And I think in last class we just started. Shall we start with the class? Shuru kar de bhai. I'm very happy no one talked till now. Till now we have class up to 10, 15 minutes I'm talking. No one talk about RCB. That's very good. You are more focused towards your study. IPL was just for entertainment, sir. For entertainment, yeah. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, okay, yeah. NEET RCB warrior. Thank you, sir. No problem. Yeah. So everyone, yeah, no one was RCB won. That was for entertainment. We felt happy. But you are more serious. You are more concerned about your future. That is the dedication required. We cannot sacrifice our study at the cost of IPM. If we get time, we will watch. But if we don't get time, we will not watch. We will be more focused towards our future. No problem. Yeah. So, okay, no problem. So all these things completed. Yeah, okay. Work hard during this coming 11 month. In last class, I will start with the class because today is our 5th class of ABC. We will talk about that. Okay. In last class, we were talking about integration. We just started with integration. So before starting integration, I told you why integration is done, what is use of integration, what is meaning of integration, and I also told you representation. Today we have to talk about rules of integration. But before that, I told you 3 things related with integration. Just to check whether everyone remembered or not, I will ask about those 3 things. Tell me, integration represents what? Integration represents what? The way differentiation is used to find rate of change of function, integration is used to find summation of a function. Integration is used to find summation. That's why symbol of integration also starts with S. That style is S. In integration represents summation. No problem. Yeah. So integration is used to find summation of a function. So what is the relation between differentiation and integration? What is the relation? How they are related? What is the relation between differentiation and integration? Both are reverse process of each other. Both are reverse process of each other. This you'll get to know in the rules also. Slowly in the rules I will tell you why we say integration and differentiation are reverse process of each other. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Acha, graphically what integration represent? Graphically exactly reverse. बहुत बढ़िया. Graphically what integration represent? Area of a curve. Area of a curve. Area of a curve. Whenever we need to find area of a curve, that area you studied, the area of triangle. From childhood you are studying area of the triangle is half into base into height. Area of a square is side square. Surface area of the cube is you have studied. From where those values? We remember directly now. Area of circle will be pi r square. From where that value came? That value comes from integration. Area of a square you study in a side square. Area of triangle you study in a half into base into height. From childhood you remember. But from where that value came, from where that formula derived, that was derived with the help of integration. So everyone remembered all this thing. I am very happy. In all this in between, you did not forget the concept. You did not forget your studies. No problem. Yeah. So this is how we talk about all this thing. And before starting, just quick recap. Can you tell me how I will pronunciate this? How I will pronunciate this? YDT, how I will pronunciate this? Different integration of what with respect to what? Representation we studied at the end of the yesterday class. Not with respect to x. Don't say with respect to x. This is the function which you are integrating. This is with respect to what you are integrating. So we'll pronunciate this as, this symbol means integration. So we'll pronunciate this as integration of y with respect to t. Because tomorrow variable can be x also, tomorrow variable can be t also. So y dt integration, y dt means integration of y with respect to t. So all these things we already did in the last class. Just to remind you, we have done. Now we'll move further. You can write rules of integration. We'll start with our next part. That is the main part. Rules of integration. Rules of integration. Many of you know the maximum number of rules already. You know. We'll talk in detail about these rules. Rules of integration. Rules of integration. And all the rules will come in the similar manner because both are reverse process of each other. Differentiation, integration, both are reverse of each other. So that's why same type of rule will come. Same type of rule will come. So एक बार देख लो. Be focused. Chala important rules of integration. How to do the way we studied rules of differentiation, in the similar manner we are going to study rules of integration. तो एक बार देख लो. No problem. Yeah. If you remember in differentiation also first rule came differentiation of x to the power n. Here we will get integration of x to the power n. So same rule will come. तो एक बार देख लो, many people are saying that rule also. Seema is saying, Anju is saying, Mohit is saying. So we will also see, no problem. Yeah. Sir, what is the first rule of integration? Rule number 1. Everyone has to write in their notes. भाई copy में लिखना है. Once you will come to the offline class, I will check your copy. Those who have not written, I will not talk to them. So that's why you have to write. You have to write. No problem. Yeah. So you have to write in your notes also. Yeah. Okay. एक बार देख लो. So first rule of integration, same. First rule of differentiation, similarly we will get first rule of integration. First rule of integration says, if I have any function y equal to x to the power n. Same thing we did for differentiation. If we have any function y equal to x to the power n, now we are talking in integration. Someone came and he said, sir, if I give you any function y equal to x to the power n, and if I ask you to integrate this y with respect to x, why you are asking me to integrate this y with respect to x? Because y is function of x, because y is depending on x. So that's why we'll integrate y with respect to x. So someone gave me y equal to x to the power n, and he asked me to integrate this y with respect to x, means he is asking me to integrate x to the power n with respect to x. X to the power n, integration of x to the power n with respect to x. So rule number 1 says integration of x to the power n will be coming as x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. Plus constant c. I will talk about what is meaning of this constant c. First you can write rule number 1. एक बार लिख लो भाई. एक बार लिख लो भाई. Integration of x to the power n will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. In physics, that constant c becomes 0. So many people ignore also. They simply write x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Once you can write, after writing you can say done sir. We will move further. We will see meaning of all these things. Jaldi bhai. X to the power n integration will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now ध्यान दो. Okay, done sir. बहुत बढ़िया. Simplest, easiest and most important rule. If you ask me, sir, out of all the rules of integration, which rule is maximum used? This is the maximum use rule. Everywhere. In the next class, we will see some previous year question also from here. Everywhere this rule will be used. So integration of एक बार देख लो. Again I am saying this rule, then we will do one question. No problem. Then we will practice one question, then I will give you another question. Sir, x to the power n integration. X to the power n integration will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. Actually, थोड़ा ध्यान देना. Be focused. ध्यान दो. Now you will be thinking, sir, why you are adding plus constant c? Generally in physics, generally in our situation, for physics, what will happen? In maths, this constant c is important. But in physics, this constant c will generally be equal to 0. And actually, थोड़ा ध्यान दे. Why constant c we are adding? So what will happen? Always remember, integration is used for summation na. Summation means you have to mention na. Summation means adding na. So you have to mention na from where to where you are adding. Summation means someone asked me to add. So I'll ask from him na from where I should start adding and where I should end adding. So always remember, those always comes in the limit of integration. But here, since limits are not mentioned, that's why we add constant c. And this type of integration where limits are not mentioned, we call them as indefinite integration, indefinite integral, or we can say indefinite integration. So that's why, since limits are not there, so we don't know starting, we don't know ending. That's why we add constant c. Tomorrow if limits will be given, this constant c will not come. So that's why this type of integration is known as indefinite. I don't know from where I have to start and where I have to go. I don't know that. That's why we not name this as indefinite. If we know the limits, we call that as definite integral. So that's why whenever limits are not given, to the final result we add constant c. Did you got the idea? And this type of integration is known as indefinite integration. Is it okay? Samjhe kya? And for you, whenever you will do, this constant will not be used. For whenever we will do any question in tomorrow in physics, there this constant c will become 0. Or limits will be given. Once limits will be given, this constant c will become useless. So come on, tell me in short, you tell me, what is integration of x to the power n? What is integration of x to the power n? X to the power n का integration बताओ भाई. X to the power n का integration बताओ. What is integration of x to the power n? Rule number 1. X to the power n integration will be, jaldi bhai, x to the power n integration will be x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Means power will increase by 1 and you have to divide with the new power. X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And since limits are not given, we will add constant c. And since limits are not given, that's why this type of integration is known as the integration where limits are not present. Such type of integration is known as chepo. Such type of x to the power n integration is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. But limits are not given. So this type of integration where limits are not present, we don't know kahan se shuru karna hai, kahan khatam karna hai. That's why this is known as indefinite integration. Tomorrow we'll study about definite integration also, how to put the limit. No problem. So everyone got the idea, everyone got the idea. We will do one question, we will do one example. Then I will give you 3-4 questions for you to solve. No problem, no problem. बहुत बढ़िया. Indefinite integration. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Yeah. So let's see one example. Just use rule number 1. For example, one example we will do. No problem. Then I will give you 1-2 questions. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, for example, someone came and he said, "Sir, I am giving you y equal to x cube, and I want to integrate this y with respect to x, or I want to integrate x cube." Because y is x cube with respect to x. Can you tell me how much answer will come? Anju is saying very good. Anju, Balaji very good, Dikshit very good, Kasturi very good, Santu very good, Narutu very good, Naragani very good, Jagdish very good, Shivam, Seema, Kavya, Radha, Trijal, Sandeep. Everyone is saying correct answer. Swapna, Shiva, Jalani, Kavya, Arshita, very good. Everyone, very simple situation, very simple situation. Sir, you are asking me to integrate x to the power. You can see here, x cube means x to the power 3. Means our n is 3. And we know, sir, whenever we have x to the power n, x to the power n integration is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. Because limits are not given, that's why I'm adding. So this will become finally x to the power. N is 3. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means 4 by n plus 1. 3 plus 1 by 4 plus c. So this will become x to the power 4 by 4 plus constant c. If you wish, you can ignore also. In physics, this constant c will come 0. So you can ignore also, or you can say directly x to the power 4 by 4. But better we are not putting limits, so we should mention plus c. Is it okay? Everyone understood? Everyone understood? Very good. Everyone got the answer. X to the power n integration is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So I will give you some questions to practice. 2-3 question practice kar lo. Then we'll move towards the next rule. Chalo bhai, chalo bhai, chalo bhai. No problem, no problem. You write. You can write. Find the following. We will do some question. Find the following. Find the following. Find the following. Integrals. Find the following integrals. Find the following integrals. Easy, but important. I am changing the variable also. Balaji, very good. VK, very good. Balaji, don't say x to the power 5. Now variable is t, so say t to the power 5 by 5. Balaji, correct. Kavya, correct. Santu, correct. First one correct by everyone got. Radha, very good. Jagdish, very good. Hanifa, very good. Alexander, बहुत बढ़िया. Yashashvi, बहुत बढ़िया. Shivam, very good. Kavya, very good. Second one given. Jelani has given second one. Swapna, very good. Yeah. Second one बनाओ भाई. Hanifa, very good. Second one. Shivam, second one given. Radha, very good. Alexander, Kuddiga, mistake undi or correct undi. Okasari check chandi. हाँ सीमा वेरी गुड, श्रीषा वेरी गुड, अर्चिता वेरी गुड, हनीफा वेरी गुड. थर्ड वन हनीफा थोड़ा सही से करो भाई, सही से करो. डायरेक्टली यू कैन नॉट इंटीग्रेट. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ब्रिंग इन न्यूमरेटर, देन यू हैव टू इंटीग्रेट. वैष्णवी वेरी गुड. वैष्णवी सीम्स टू बी करेक्ट. थर्ड वन थोड़ा देखो भाई वैष्णवी. फर्स्ट सेकेंड केम. थर्ड वन शिवम करेक्ट. रूपा रानी करेक्ट. अखिला करेक्ट. Chandu, still you are in second one. Now third one karo by Seema, third one correct. Trijal, third one correct. Pawan minus छूट गया है, minus will come. चलो पांडे, तरिणी पांडे correct, हाशनी correct, हर्षिता, हनीफा, जलानी, हासनी, ग्रेस, अखिल, Uma Devi, Naruta. Okay, no problem. I think everyone has got, but some people may have done some mistake. तो एक बार देख लो. Then I will give you 1-2 more question. It's not enough. We'll do some more question. We will do some more question. Yeah. Pujita all correct. बहुत बढ़िया Pujita. Kavya all 3 given. Neeta given. Okay. I will simply say, actually integration, this type of integration are actually used, and they are actually very easy. Little bit somewhere you have to put your brain also. That's why. Otherwise, otherwise you will not be able to do all the situation. Sir, here you are asking me to integrate x to the power 10 with respect to x. So I already know x to the power n integration will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. Since limits are not given, so better we will add constant c. If you wish, you can ignore also. No change will happen in physics. So it will become x to the power 11 by 11 plus c. No problem. Second one, be careful. Now variable is not x, variable is t. So same formula you will write, but you will write in the terms of t. So t to the power n will become t to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. That will become t to the power 5 by 5 plus c. No problem. Now in third one, some of you have done mistake. I was seeing the reply, that's why I was seeing the reply. In third one, and you are not doing for the first time. You are not. First and second everyone got. No problem. Yeah. Third one you are not doing like this for the first time. In differentiation also I told. For denominator we don't have direct method. If you want to use, then you have to bring this in numerator. You cannot integrate this directly like this. You will say, sir, this I can write. There is no formula to differentiate directly in denominator in differentiation as well as integration. So you have to bring in numerator. So you will write this as this I can write as x to the power minus 3 dx. This is, if anything x is there in denominator, bring it in numerator. Numerator में लेके आओ. Directly you cannot integrate this. इसको numerator में लेके आओ. Now clearly it is appearing x to the power n. So integration of x to the power n will become x to the power n. N is minus 3. So n plus 1 by n plus 1. Plus constant c, if you wish you can add, no problem. Yeah. So this will finally become x to the power minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus c. So this will finally become this minus, you can bring here, minus x to the power minus 2 by 2 plus c. So this is how you will do integration when x is in denominator. How many of you got all three correct? Sheikh Karim Basha has got all three correct. बहुत बढ़िया. Anju got. NEET2026. I don't. That's very tough to pronounce. Radha got, Komu got, Ropa got, Santu got, Radha, Balaji, Narasimha, Kavya, Harshita, Srikant, Shiva, Jalani, Trijal, Yashashvi, Teja. Everyone got. Yeah, Harsha, Shrisha got, Tarini got. Yeah, Hemant got, Sneha got, Sai got. Okay. Very good. Sneha got, Neita got. चलो एक और क्वेश्चन और बनाओ भाई. Three more questions I will give from rule number 1, then we'll move towards rule number 2. And little tricky I will give. Yeah, rule number 3 and rule number 1, 2 more questions, 3 more questions I will give. एक बार करके देखो भाई. चलो भाई. Some more questions just for practice. Because this type of integrations will be used. That's why I am giving. And those who know the concept, they will get. Balaji, correct. You can arrange by 3 by 2. It will become 2 by 3. थोड़ा arrange भी कर लो भाई आंसर को. Balaji correct, Kavya correct, Sheikh correct, Rupa correct, Shiva correct, Sai correct. First, अच्छा all three done Sai. Oh बहुत बढ़िया. Third one का आंसर बता दे Sai चल. Srikant correct, Radha correct, first one done. Balaji थोड़ा सा सही से करो बालाजी. Second one थोड़ा सही से करो भाई, सही से करो. Second one थोड़ा सही से करो. Intentionally I have given you little tough. Third one, okay, Alexander, correct. शिवा शंकरी 0. क्या अपना ब्रेन का वैल्यू बता रहे हो क्या? चलो, no problem. Yeah, many people are saying. Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. Third one is coming not defined, sir. Okay, we will see. No problem. Yeah. Sima okay, Shivam okay, Hashini okay, Tarini okay, Balaji okay, no problem. Sneha okay. एक बार देख लो. चलो भाई. एक बार देख लेते. No problem. Yeah. हाँ, चलो. We'll do all three. And I will tell you where you can do mistake. Don't do that mistake. Keep the points in your mind. Okay. Almost all people, Sumalat has got, all people have done all three. So just see how we'll be doing. No problem. Yeah. If anyone has any problem. First thing I told you in the last class in differentiation also. There is no separate rule required for under root and cube root. Because under root and cube root are nothing. They are power only. So that's why I will simply say, sir, right now directly I cannot. Root x integration, no formula was there. But we can write this root x as x to the power 1 by 2. And x to the power, once I will write this root x, first thing for root, for cube root, there is no separate formula. Because root and cube root are nothing. They are powers only. So first I will convert these roots into power. Root x means, sir, what? Actually, x to the power 1 by 2. Once I will write x to the power 1 by 2, it will appear in the form of x to the power n. Once it will come in the form of x to the power n, integration will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now from here you can write, we will add c at the end, no problem. This will become x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 will become 3 by 2. And this will be 1 by 2 plus 1 will again become 3 by 2. This 2 will go in numerator. You know this type of maths. This will become 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus constant c. Again, important type of integration which will be used in work power energy chapter. This type of integration will be used. So I think everyone will be able to get. Everyone understood first one? First one everyone understood? Balaji, you are saying now correct. Okay, all three done and done. No problem, no problem. Similarly, sir, this one, sir, let's see question number fifth one. Let's see question number fifth one. Again, root is coming. So what I will do first, I will replace the root with power 1 by 2 dx. Now I'll bring this power 1 by 2 in numerator. I will bring this power 1 by 2 in numerator. So this will become integration x to the power minus 1 by 2 dx. Now I will use our formula of integration because it is appearing in the form of x to the power n. So integration will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And this will ultimately become x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 will give you 1 by 2. And here also minus 1 by 2 plus 1 will give you 1 by 2 plus constant c you can add. This will go in numerator. This will become, so it will become 2. 1 by 2 will go in numerator. It will become 2. And x to the power 1 by 2 will become root x plus constant c. This is the answer that we will get for fifth one. This is the answer we'll get for fifth one. How many of you got fourth and fifth both correct by? Then we will talk about sixth one in detail. How many of you got? Sumalata got, Sai got, Grace got, Harshita got. See, suddenly so many messages came. Radha got, Usha got, Kuldeep got, Santu got, Sujan got, Meera got, Rupa got, Pawan got, bahut badhiya. Avinash got, everyone got. They were easy, sir. But you have to be little patient. Always remember, first quality of doctor is to have the patience. Patient you will have. This is a rule in medical stream which is taught. Once you go to medical college, they will teach you this. Patience will give you patient. And tomorrow after becoming doctor, you have to earn money also, na. Means you require patient also, na. How patient will come? By patience. The doctor which has more patience always get more patient. Patience is equivalent to patient in medical stream. So that's why. So you have to be little patient. This is the problem which happened for many people this year in the NEET. In the NEET, after seeing biochemistry, they became very hurry in physics. They did not did anything. So because they were not having patience in the exam. That patience is required for doctors. So that's why you have to be patient while doing this type of integration. Let's see integration number 6. Integration number 6. No problem. Yeah. एक बार देख लो ओपिका कावाली. Kavya is saying correct. Opika Kavali. For doctor, Opika Undi, patient Undi. No problem. Now, yeah, dhyan do. Okays. Now we'll move towards sixth one. We will move towards sixth one. एक बार देख लो. No problem. In sixth one, एक बार देखना, little tricky part, you may get confused, you may do mistake. I will simply say, sir, in sixth one थोड़ा ध्यान देना बच्चों, थोड़ा ध्यान दो चिन्ना पिल्ला, एक बार देखो. Sir, in sixth one you are asking me to integrate 1 by x with respect to x. And from day one, I am always on fire, bhai. Yeah, okay. Now I will simply say, sir, you want to integrate 1 by x with, in sixth one, you have given me to integrate 1 by x with respect to x. I know, sir, there is no formula to integrate in denominator. So I'll bring this in numerator. So this will become x to the power minus 1 dx. Now this will become in the form of x to the power n. This will become in the form of x to the power n. X to the power n integration will become, sir, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. No problem. Yeah. This will finally become, sir, x to the power n. X to the power n integration will be x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. What is n, sir? Minus 1. So this will become x to the power 0. Minus 1 plus 1. This will become minus 1 plus 1, 0. And plus constant c. X to the power 0 means 1. 1 by 0 plus c. 1 by 0 means undefined, infinity, or you can say undefined, infinity or undefined. How many of you got this answer, infinity and undefined? How many of you got this answer? Because minus 1 plus 1, it became 0. So something by 0 will give you infinity or undefined. Trijal got, Sheikh got, Radha got, Pushpa got, Harshita got, Varshit got, Grace got, Sumalata got. But this is wrong. ध्यान दे, ध्यान दे, ध्यान दे, ध्यान दे. How you ध्यान देना, be focused, be focused, be focused, be focused. Yeah. Actually, you got by mathematics. You did all this thing. You got answer 1 by 0, 1 by 0. You said got undefined, sir. Is this undefined? Mathematically, we are getting correct answer undefined. But is this undefined is correct? No. You are, if you remember from the starting of integration, I told you integration is used for summation. And if you are adding small quantity, how addition can come undefined? And if first quantity exists, then you are adding now. If you are adding, it cannot be undefined. So actually you are getting undefined or infinity. That's area. You see, can you have an area which will be infinite? No, infinite, not defined. So ध्यान दो. Actually, when we use this formula x to the power n, after solving, we got our answer undefined. Now I am thinking, sir, integration is used to find summation. Integration is used to find area. Can I have a situation where summation will be undefined? Summation will be infinity? No, impossible. You cannot get summation infinity. You cannot get area infinity. That means some mistake happened now. That means some mistake happened now. Can you tell me where I have done mistake in the calculation? It's impossible. You cannot get anything undefined. Sek is saying correct, yeah. But I am getting undefined. Any mistake is there in the calculation? Did I have done any mistake anywhere? Or I have used everything correct, sir? Everything I have used correct? Some people know, they are saying, I am getting undefined. एक बार देखो. Okay, Actually, I have applied wrong formula. X to the power n formula has one exception. Actually, I have got by this formula, I have got the answer which is undefined. Now I am thinking, does I have done any mistake? I have not done any mistake in the calculation. I have done mistake in application of formula. Always remember this rule number 1. I did not write in the beginning because I want you to realize rule number 1 is always applicable except n equal to -1. If n will be equal to -1, this formula will not work. Rule number 1 is applicable for all values of n. -10, -5, 5, 3 by 2, 5 by 3, parwa do. But n should not be equal to -1. Why? Because once n will become -1, you will get infinite, undefined, which is not possible. So, अरे भाई -3 में भी क्या दिक्कत है? पागल हो गए हो क्या? बीवी अनिशा तो क्या पूछ रही है भाई? n को एक -3 plus 1 by -3 plus 1, no problem. So always remember, in physics, in maths, we get rare exception. This is one of the rare exception. Rule number 1, x to the power n integration x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 is always applicable. You can close your eyes and you can apply everywhere except OKT situation. That OKT situation, come on, tell me for what value of n rule number 1 is not applicable. For what value of n rule number 1 is no. What happened here? Why I got summation infinite? Because n was -1. N equal to -1. N equal. Why I got infinity? Why I got undefined answer? Because here n was -1. This formula will not be applicable once n will become -1. So keep this thing in your mind. That's why many of you have studied integration of 1 by x is log x. That is separate rule. Rule number 1, x to the power n integration will be equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 is always applicable except n equal to -1. N should not be equal to -1 because if n will be equal to -1, undefined will come, which is impossible. So that's why we have got all this thing. No problem. Yeah, I will give you number today at the end. No problem. Yeah. So this is how we can talk about rule number 1. समझ गए क्या? रूल नंबर 1 समझ गए? एक दो और क्वेश्चन बना लो भाई. 2 more question from rule number 1. चलो भाई. इंटीग्रेशन x to the power This is again one question. चलो जल्दी से बना लो, जल्दी से बना लो. Okay, Pawan Sai, I will give today number to everyone. No problem. You can send me WhatsApp. Now many people will say, sir, we are sending, but you are not replying. No problem, Pawan Sai, you can see. Answer we will study. Answer will study. One more thing. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Some people are asking, sir, here you told it is mistake is there, not correct. Then what will be answered? That will come as a separate rule where we'll study integration of 1 by x. 1 by x integration is actually log x. Before that, you can see many people have said, Sheikh has said, Shivam has said, Santu has said, Harifa has said the answer, Salja has said, Anju has said, Balaji has said, Alexander said, Trijal said, Kavya said. I think everyone will get no problem, no problem. Now everyone will get no problem. Yeah. Sir, again x to the power n integration. We already know x to the power n plus 1. N is 3 by 2. N plus 1. N plus 1 by n plus 1. So this will become finally x to the power 5 by 2, and these are used tomorrow in different chapter. All this integration will be used. 3 by 2 plus 1 will become again 5 by 2. So this will finally become 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus constant c, because limits were not given. Here it will become integration. You can bring this in numerator, x to the power minus 4 dx. This will become x to the power minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1. This will become x to the power minus 3 by minus 3. Now minus you can adjust here. So minus x to the power minus 3 by 3 plus constant c. How many of you got these two answers? How many of you got these two answers? Very good. Everyone got Harshit, Salja, Sheikh. My eyes are becoming like chameleon. ऐसे देखना पड़ा. Yashasvi got, Dikshit got, Kaushalya got, Meera got, Sumalata, Meera, Hanifa, Uma Devi, Shirisa. Chalo, everyone got. Grace got, Shamita got, Kornu got, chalo bhai, Harita got. Yeah, everyone got the answer, no problem. But before moving further, you tell me, rule number 1 is not applicable for what value of n? Rule number 1, I can apply blindly everywhere except for what value of n? Naruto. Very good, yeah. N equal to minus 1. N equal to minus 1. N equal to minus 1 means 1 by x integration. N equal to minus 1 means x to the power minus 1. X to the power minus 1 means 1 by x integration. Some people already have studied. Can you tell me what is integration of 1 by x or x to the power minus 1 integration? We have separate rule where first rule don't work. 1 by x integration is what? Log x, which we'll study later on. Because some people ask, sir, rule number 1 not applicable, undefined will come. Then what will be answer? Answer will be log x. That we study as separate rule. Because log x differentiation is 1 by x na. So 1 by x integration will be log x. Reverse of each other. No problem. So we'll see all those things. No problem, no problem. Now we'll move towards rule number 2. We'll talk about rule number 2. Rule number 1 aipoindi. Maybe little bit, not completely. It will be repeated in offline. That's why online classes are important, bhai. So let's start rule number. चलो भाई rule number 2 start करते हैं. Rule number 2 start करते हैं. Easy rule, important rule. एक बार देख लो, एक बार देख लो. No problem, no problem. Yeah. Now, in differentiation, rule number 2 was differentiation of constant. In integration, rule number 2 is integration of constant. Differentiation of constant was 0. But integration of constant will not be 0. तो एक बार देख ले, एक बार देख लो, एक बार देख ले, एक बार देख ले. Yes, Chaitanya, but not in this much detail. It will be repeated during offline. It will be not repeated like this much in detail. There we will go very fast because we have to complete the syllabus, final syllabus also. Chalo, all these things we can talk later on. पर देख लो. Rule number 2 and again very important. Rule number 2 and chala important. Rule number 2 says same. Rule number 1 differentiation of x to the power n. So integration of x to the power n. Rule number 2 differentiation of constant. Here rule number 2 is integration of constant. For example, if someone came and he said, I am giving you y, that y is constant. Let's assume that constant to be c. And he asked me to integrate this constant c with respect to x. He asked me to integrate this constant c with respect to x. He asked me to integrate y with respect to x. And what is y? Y is constant c. So many people know, I will also write, no problem. That means, sir, what is y? Y is c, constant c. You are asking me constant c to integrate with respect to x. So always remember, integration, differentiation of chala important. Many people do mistake here, तो थोड़ा ध्यान देना. Sir, differentiation of constant c was 0. But integration of constant c will not be 0. Both are reverse of each other. So integration of constant c will become cx. Integration of constant c will become cx plus, since limits are not given, we will add one constant. And already since we have taken one constant c, this new constant we will represent by c dash. Actually answer is cx, but since limits are not given, so we have to add a constant every time now. Already I have assumed one constant c. That's why I'm adding here another constant c dash. Means tomorrow if someone give you 5 and he asks you to integrate 5 with respect to x, integration of 5 with respect to x will become c integration is cx. So 5 is a constant. 5 integration will become 5x plus constant c. Are you getting idea? Someone is saying, sir, why you have added that c dash? Are c already, you know na, 2. Since limits are not given, so we'll add constant c at the final result of integration. Since already one constant c I assumed, so new constant which I will add will be c dash. So you can only remember 5 integration will be 5x. This c in physics will be 0. For example, chalo bhai, bolo. If I give you 2, if I ask you to integrate 2, batao kitna aega? 2 integration twarga. 2 integration 2x. 3 integration 3x. 4 integration 4x. Kya hai bhai? So 2 integration. 2 is a constant. C integration is cx. So 2 integration will be 2x plus constant c. Since limits are not given, that's why we are adding constant c. If you want, you can ignore also. Yeah, if I give you final 10 dx. Jaldi se bata do. Here I will not give you any question to solve. क्या है सर? C integration cx, 5 integration 5x, 2 integration 2x, 10 integration will become 10x plus constant c, because limits not given, that's why we are adding. Is it okay? Everyone understood? Everyone understood? Rule number 2 అయిపోయింది. అర్థమైందా? Rule number 2. No problem. Once you can see rule number 1 and rule number 2, we'll move further. Easiest rule everyone is able to do, no problem. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See rule number 1, rule number 2, then we will move further. अच्छा, here one catchy point is there which students do mistake. एक बार देखना. चलो. Before ending rule number 2, then we'll move towards rule number 3. एक बार देखो, one catchy point is there. One point is there where we have seen. Based on my experience of the class I am talking, because teachers should also know what mistake students do. So I've seen this mistake. एक बार देखना. No problem. थोड़ा ध्यान देना. Okay, Sai, I am fine. Now focus on the class. Okay, Sir, y equal to constant. C integration will be cx. थोड़ा ध्यान देना, then only you'll be able to understand what I'm trying to tell. Otherwise, you'll not get the idea. Okay. Acha, can you tell me y is depending on what? Y is depending on what? Y is depending on x or what? Understand? I will tell you in different manner. Then your ध्यान दे. always remember, right now we are saying, sir, you said, थोड़ा सा देखना भाई, I cannot tell you, you have to feel this thing, you have to realize by yourself, everything cannot come out of my mouth, you have to realize this thing, you have to realize one thing, always remember, integration of constant c with respect to x is cx. Tomorrow, I have given you 2 with respect to x is 2x, 5 with respect to x is. Tomorrow, if someone asks you to integrate 2 with respect to t, then don't write answer 2x, wrong. This variable will decide. Because 2 is constant. It is now you are integrating with respect to time. So answer, this we have seen. They will ask you to integrate with respect to time. Students will write 2x, wrong. Now you'll write this as 2t plus c. Tomorrow if you get 10 integration with respect to z, don't write 10x, wrong. It will become 10z plus c. Tomorrow if anyone asks you to integrate, 2 with respect to v, don't write 2x. Sir said c integration is cx, so 2 integration will, no. With respect to variable. Now variable is v. So it will become 2v plus c. Are you getting idea what I wanted to tell? 2 integration is 2x only with respect to x. Tomorrow if you integrate 2 with respect to t, it will become 2t. If you integrate with respect to z, it will become 2z. If you integrate with respect to y, it will become 2y. Don't keep in your mind c integration cx. No, c integration is cx only when you integrate with respect to x. Everyone got this clarity? एक बार ये सब values भी लिख लो भाई, notes में लिख लो इन सबको भी, so that tomorrow when this will be used, you will not feel difficulty. Lovely beer नाम ही रखा, lovely beer तो कहां से समझेगा भाई? First time coming in the class, you'll never understand. हाँ. So variable will decide, final answer will come what? If you integrate constant 2 with respect to t, it will give you 2t. With respect to x, it will give you 2x. With respect to y, it will give you 2y. So this is how we have talked about rule number 2. Let's move towards rule number 3. Rule number 3. Again important rule. Okay, no problem. Yeah. हाँ. चलो ठीक है भाई, ठीक है यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. चलो. Now we'll move towards rule number 3. एक बार देखो अगेन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ध्यान दो. Just like differentiation, yeah, some people already know, they are already said. So just like differentiation, in differentiation also rule number 3 was saying, rule number 2 was saying differentiation of constant, rule number 3 was saying rule of respect, constant multiplied, same thing will happen here. Someone came and he said, just like differentiation, rule number 3, someone came and he said, sir, I am giving you y, and in function y, c, constant c is multiplied with x to the power n. Constant c is multiplied with x to the power n. Now he asked me to integrate this y with respect to x. That means he asked me to integrate c into x to the power n with respect to x. And I told you, whenever constant c is multiplied with the function, do not participate. Whether it is differentiation or whether it is integration, parva le do. Whenever constant is multiplied with the variable, give respect to the constant. Constant will not, usko छूना भी नहीं है, touch भी मत करो. Give respect. Constant c will not participate. You have to give respect to the constant. So constant c will come out of integration. It will not participate. You are not doing anything to the constant c which is multiplied. So constant c will come out of integration. And who will be ultimately integrated? X to the power n. Whose integration you already know. X to the power n integration will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Plus c dash, one constant we always add, that is constant c dash, means constant c we will give respect. We will give respect to the constant c. Everyone understood rule number 3 by same rule of integration, same rule of differentiation. C x to the power n, c will not participate. So x to the power n will be integrated. So x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. C into x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And this is again important. We will do some questions also from here. Everyone understood? So I will do an example. First you can write this. Come on. Writing is very important. Always remember, we human being, our brain work with coordination. Once you write, then your brain, eyes, hands, everything will be coordinated. Then only you'll be able to understand. Just superficially seeing, it will not work. No problem. So that's why making notes are very important. Chalo bhai, written sir. I know, just I'm reminding, okay, no problem. Yeah. So C x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus C. For example, like example I will do, then I will give you to do. No problem. Someone came and he said, sir, I am giving you y equal to 4x cube. And I want to integrate this y with respect to x. I want to integrate this 4x cube with respect to x. Many of you know, you can tell me answer, how much answer will come. Those who don't know, wait, I will tell. Naragani very good, Kitani very good, Kavya very good, Pushpa very good, Balaji very good, Kamasha very good, Mallikarjun very good, Ritesh very good, Santu very good, Sai Srikant very good, Kuldeep very good, Radha, Gopi, Jagdish, Anju, Pushpa, Dikshit, Kaman, Hemant, Gaming, Sushant, Sheikh, Trijal, very good. अरे तो 4 कीर्ति कैंसल कर लेना. 4x to the power 4 by 4. अरे 4 पवन कैंसल तो कर लो भाई. They are writing 4x to the power 4 by 4. ना बेसिक मैथ्स, दैट इज ऑल्सो बेसिक. 4 कैंसल करके आंसर बता दे. चलो, अदरवाइज आंसर इज करेक्ट. सालजा करेक्ट, नो प्रॉब्लम. हर्षिता करेक्ट, शिवम करेक्ट, कमला करेक्ट, मीरा करेक्ट. एवरीवन विल गेट. आई विल सिंपली से क्या है सर, this much drama also not required. Directly you can write, sir, 4 will not participate, 4 will remain, will give respect to the 4, x cube will be integrated, x to the power n will be integrated. So x to the power n integration will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this will become 4x to the power 4 by 4. 4 cancel, so it will become x to the power 4. Since limits are not given, I will add constant c. Done. And this much of drama also directly you can do. Sir, when you integrate this y with respect to x, 4 will remain as it is. X cube integration, it will become x to the power n plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4 by 4. हो गया plus c. That is x to the power 4 plus c. So this much is also not required. Directly you can get. So I think everyone got. We will do some question. चलो भाई 2-3 क्वेश्चन करते हैं. प्रैक्टिस त्वरगा समय हम ले दो. चलो भाई. No problem. Yeah. You write. Find the following. चलो okay. Find the following indefinite integrals. 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 Easy only. चलो, हाँ, फर्स्ट वन everyone got x to the power 5. x to the power 5. पवन, संतु, कीर्ति, शेख, करीम, बासा, हनीफा, कुलदीप, अंजू. अच्छा, अंजू got all 3. बहुत बढ़िया अंजू. सीमा very good. पुष्पलता very good. नागानी very good. शिवम, स्नेहा, नरूतो, सीमा, शिवम, everyone got. No, I don't feel anyone will have any problem. Third one, first one done by Shivam has said. Third one also very good. Seema, third one also very good. Ritesh Gaming, all 3 done. Hanifa, 3x coming for okay. That is rule number 2 we have used. Shiva, Kirti, very good. Santu, very good. Third one, we bata do bhai. Very good. You are good in maths. Slowly you will get very good marks. Don't worry. You are good in maths. You are doing good. No problem. Yeah. Meera, very good. Pushpa, very good. Nashar, Radha, Sheikh, Sneha. Chalo bhai. I think everyone will get. Sir, 5 constant will not participate. 5 will remain as it is. X to the power 4 integration will become 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. X to the power 5 by 5 plus C. So this will become X to the power 5 plus C. So the first one, second one, 3 integration 3x. Yeah, okay. 3 integration 3x. Sir, C integration with respect to x is cx. So C 3 integration will become 3x plus C. Sir, here again 2 will not participate. T means power 1. So integration will become, sir, when you integrate, 2 is the constant multiplied. We will give respect to the constant. 2 will remain as it is. T to the power 1 integration will become T to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So this will ultimately become 2T to the power 2 by 2 plus C. 2 will get cancelled. We will get answer T square plus C. This is our 3 questions from rule number 1, 2 and 3. How many of you got all 3 correct? Come on. Twarga will move towards 5. Another rule. Rule number 4. Sumalata got, Meera got, Nasar Kadappa got, Anju got, Pramila got, Sai Srikant got, Radha, Gopi, Nagargani, Jahanvi, Ashwarya, Hanifa, Meera, everyone got. No problem. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. Chalo bhai. So many names are there. Yeah. Shushant, Jagdish, Naruto. Okay, Salja, Nasar, Sheikh. Chalo. No problem. I'm giving you time of 1 second. See rule number 1, 2, 3. We'll move towards rule number 4. Bhai. Final rule we'll study from here. Then we'll start with trigonometric rules. Chalo. So rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3 I poindi. Now rule number 4. Rule number 4. Any guess? चलो शिवा शंकरी ठीक है भाई, सुखी बाबा. चलो rule number 4. Any guess? What will be rule number 4? ठीक है हाँ. Same one by one. Limits will come later on. By in next class we'll talk about 1 by. See, are you not feeling same thing is going on? Same thing, same like your inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling also, exhaling also. Who is involved? Our lungs are involved. So same like that only it will go. By कैसे भूल गए? अरे you studied rules of differentiation. By 4th rule was 1 by 1 rule of addition or subtraction. Same thing will happen here. Someone came tomorrow and he said, sir, if I have function y which is addition or subtraction of 2-3 different function. For example, y is given as u added or subtracted, u plus minus v plus minus w. And he asked me same thing, by how you can forget. All the rules are coming in the similar manner. Sir, there also rule number 4, rule of addition or subtraction. We are adding 2 function or we are subtracting 2 function. We are adding 2 function or we are subtracting 2 function. So now again, if someone came and he said, sir, I'm giving you y which is addition or subtraction of 2-3 different function, and he asked me to integrate y with respect to x. First thing, I cannot integrate all at once now. I cannot differentiate all at once. I cannot integrate all at once. तो क्या करूं? चेपो क्या करूं? 1 by 1. Sir, I have to integrate all of them. I cannot integrate u, v, w at once. So क्या करूंगा? ओकटे time लो, ओकटे integration. First I will integrate u with respect to x. Plus I will put plus. If between them plus is there, I will put plus. If minus is there, I will put minus. Then I will integrate v. Then if plus is there between them, I put plus. If minus is there, I will put minus. Then I will integrate w. And that means, sir, nothing else you are doing. Again, we have to go 1 by 1 integration. 1 by 1 integration we have to follow. Okate time lo, okate function, integrate chayandi. Parvaledu. Done. 1 by 1 integration. Same rule. We cannot integrate u, v, w all at once. तो क्या करूंगा? I am helpless. मैं क्या कर सकता हूं? I have to do integration one by one. First u I will integrate, v I will integrate, w I will integrate. Is it okay? Is it okay? समझे क्या? Everyone understood? No problem, no problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. One example I will do. One example I will do. Then I will give you questions from here. And now whatever the question, everyone will understand because you have understood this in differentiation also. No problem. Yeah. One example I will do. Then I will give you some question combining all these four rules. All the four rules. Actually, whatever the question will come now, will combine all the four rules that we studied. So one question I will do for example, and then I will give you some question for you to do. No problem, no problem. Yeah. Chalo bhai, no problem. So one example I will show, because every time we are showing examples, so one example I will show here also. एक बार देख लो. Someone came and he said, sir, I am giving you y equal to x square plus x cube plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 5. And he asked me to integrate this y with respect to x. What I will do? I want to integrate. So what I will do? Sir, x square is one function, x cube is one function, x to the power 4 one function, x to the power. I cannot integrate all at once. So क्या करूँ? One time one integration. X to the power 2. First I will integrate x square, then x cube, then x to the power 4, then x to the power 5. So first I will integrate x square. It will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This will become x cube, integration will become x to the power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. X to the power. This is what I told. Okate time lo, okate integration. First x square, then x cube, then x to the power 4, then x to the power 5. So x to the power 4 integration will become x to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. And plus this will become x to the power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1, and this will ultimately come on, x cube by 3 plus x to the power 4 by 4 plus x to the power 5 by 5 plus x to the power 6 by 6 plus constant c, because limits were not given. समझे क्या? I know you will be able to get, just as a tradition. After every rule we are doing one question for example, just as a tradition we did. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Okay. No problem. Yeah. So this is how we can talk about. I think every one time, one difference, one integration you have to do, you will get the answer. Now I will give you some question. Now I'll combine all the four rules and we'll do some question from integration. Then remaining rules we will see in the next class. No problem. Chalo bhai. Chalo. Now question time. You write. Find the following integrals. Find the following integrals. Find the following integrals. चलो भाई 3 क्वेश्चन. बढ़िया. नरूटो करेक्ट. गायत्री 2 को कैंसिल कर लिया करो. गायत्री 2x स्क्वायर बाई 2, तो 2 को कैंसिल कर दे भाई. इतना लेजी मत बनो. हर्षिता वेरी गुड. बालाजी वेरी गुड. अंजू वेरी गुड. संतु वेरी गुड. शैलजा वेरी गुड. जानवी बहुत बढ़िया. बीबी अनीशा वेरी गुड. Shivam first one, yeah. Vikash very good. Pawan, Kirtani, Naruta has given second one answer also very good. Third one is little tough. but you'll be able to do. Sneha, very good. Harshita, very good. Shirisha, very good. Shivam, very good. Santu, very good. Gayatri, Gayatri has given second one also very good. Santu, very good. Kamasha, Gayatri, Salja, second one given. I'm waiting for third one also now. Shiva Sankari, very good. Anisha, Sushant, Meera, Pushpa, Sheikh, Seema, Salja, Sneha, Sirisha. Sirisha has given answer for second one. Okay. Nasar Kadapa. Acha, third one given. Nasar Kadapa, I will see your answer. What it is. Seems to be correct. Correct. बहुत बढ़िया Nasar. I'm waiting for third one now. First, second, I think everyone got. Third one किसका देखो? Naruto. Correct Naruto. Correct बहुत बढ़िया. गायत्री बहुत बढ़िया. सुमित चंद्रा केवल ऐसे भेज दिया है कि थर्ड वन हो गया सर. तो लिख दे भाई आंसर. हाँ स्वप्ना फर्स्ट वन सेकेंड वन ओके. आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन थर्ड वन. दीक्षित वेरी गुड. रेस्टोविन करेक्ट. शिवम करेक्ट. हर्षिता करेक्ट. बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड. Third one was little tricky, not tough, but okay. For bio people, maths means tough, but you have done correctly. Acha, Sheikh is saying, Anjum is saying, all correct. No problem. I think everyone has done. Okay, we don't have more time. So देख लेते एक बार. No problem. परवाह क्या है sir? क्या है? First thing, 3x square one function, 2x one function, 4 one function. I cannot integrate all at once. तो क्या करो? One time लो ओकटी integration. पहले 3x square को integrate करो. 3 will remain as it is. X square integration will become x to the power 2 integration will become x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Means x to the power 3 by 3. Work, power, energy. This integration is used. This will be your force. They will ask you work done. So variable force, when you integrate, you get the work done. So that's why this is important. These are important type of integration. Yeah. Plus this will become 2. X means x to the power 1. So its integration will become x to the power n plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2 by 2. 4 with respect to x will become 4x. Plus constant c. If you wish, you can add. Otherwise not required. Because limits will be given when we use them in physics. So this will become x cube plus x square plus 4x plus constant c, which we are adding from our side. Here I will write answer directly. Now I feel everyone is getting. So okay, I'm also getting bored of saying this thing. So I will also get directly. This will become 4x to the power 4. I will directly write the answer. X to the power 4 plus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 6 plus constant c. I think everyone got no problem. Yeah. Chalo. Last one, little tough. You can arrange it. You can simply do like this. You can simply say, sir, I can write this as this root x. I can write as x to the power 1 by 2 plus this will become x to the power minus 1 by 2 dx, because this is 1 by root x. So this was x to the power 1 by 2. When it will go in numerator, it will become x to the power minus 1 by 2. Now you can integrate them separately. This integration will become x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. कितना आसान है. X to the power minus 1 by 2 integration will become x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Plus constant c, if you wish, you can add at the end. Now from here, this will become, sir, x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus x to the power 1 by 2 by 1 by. क्या LKG चल रहा है भाई? Who said integration maths are tough? LKG चल रहा है, but little focus is required. Little opika is required. 2x to the power 1 by 2 plus constant c. How many of you got all three correct? All three correct? Very good, Naruto. Very good. Keep it up. Kamala got, Meera got, Srikant got, Sujan got, Mohit got, Rupa, Sneha, Dikshit, Pushpa. Yeah. Okay. Everyone got. Chalo bhai, बहुत सारे नाम आ रहे हैं. I will not be able to read that. Okay. My eyes are now. All correct, all correct. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See all these 4 rules. Okay, Pranay, correct. Venkat, correct. Meera, correct. Rowdy short films, correct. Sandeep, correct. All correct. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. Once you can see all these things, and better remaining rules we will start in the next class. Huh? Okay, no problem, no problem. I will give you some time is left. So 1-2 more question we can practice. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Rules will start in the next class. चलो भाई, चलो भाई, चलो भाई. और question practice कर लो भाई. चलो, 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 चलो. No problem, no problem. Some changes I will do. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 3 questions done till now. 4th one. चलो, 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 चलो. Time. अरे भाई कौन बोल रहा है पागल? कर ले, अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ. संगुप्ता, not completed. कुछ और क्वेश्चन, 2 क्वेश्चन और प्रैक्टिस करो. Then only we will complete. Okay, chalo. One more situation. I will change the variable. एक ये क्वेश्चन बना लो. These 2 integration you can tell. Easy, but देखो जानवी गलत कर दी. But second one, don't do mistake भाई. Focus is always important. Give tough question, tough I will give, that will become very tough. We have to do only those questions which we required. That's why. Integration is fire. You cannot play with integration that much because differentiation is more easy. Integration only very limited things we have to know. I think everyone is getting first one. Chalo, Anju has said second one also. बहुत बढ़िया. Short rowdy film. Yeah, everyone has got. Sir, this will become t to the power 1. Integration will become t to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So it will become t square by 2. This will become, now you have got idea, t cube by 3. This will become t to the power 5 by 5 plus constant c. 4th one everyone got? Wildfire, I am wildfire. Integration is just fire. 4th one everyone got? अबे मिस्टेक है भाई, बस मैसेज टाइप कर रहे हैं. गलत मैंने लिखा है. आई वॉज जस्ट चेकिंग योर फोकस. गलत मैंने लिखा है. कोई नहीं बोल रहा है कि सर गलत लिख दिया आपने. आई हैव रिटन रॉन्ग t to the power 4. मैं ये चेक कर रहा हूँ मैसेज. यस सर, यस सर, यस सर, यस सर. अरे भाई आप तो ध्यान. That's why I have written wrong in text, but no one said. Okay, both correct. They are saying I have done both. So this will be here mistake is there. I was just checking just for fun. I was just checking your focus. So this will become t to the power 4 by 4 plus constant c. This integration I think everyone will get. It will become, it will become, it will become, it will become integration. You will bring in numerator. It will become t to the power minus 2 dt. This will become t to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 3 plus constant c. Second, 5th one, this is answer you got. Now अब आइडेंटिफाई. सर एक बार मिस्टेक हो सकता है, अब नहीं हो. ठीक है भाई, ठीक ठीक. सर once mistake, once we are sir okay, we are now. Once now everyone understand. चलो ठीक है भाई, ठीक है. Once only we can do. We are smart people, sir. Once we can do mistake, but now every time we will not do. Okay. So this will become minus 2 plus 1. चलो बहुत बढ़िया. Means you are focused, nothing to worry. So this will become t to the power minus 1. This will become minus 1 plus c. This will ultimately become minus t to the power minus 1 plus c. And I hope everyone has got. बहुत बढ़िया. So this is how we have completed our time also. Remaining rules of integration. Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. Remaining rules of integration we will do in our next class. Okay, no problem. Mohit Sai, okay, we'll see that. Yeah, remaining rules of integration we will do in the next class. No problem. 4 or 5 more rules are there which will. Anju, 63 is a very good marks. You will check your percentile. For 63 marks in physics, you will check your percentile. You will get 99%. 63 in this paper was very good. In this paper, 63 marks in physics was very good. No problem, no problem. So this is how we have talked about. Now, before ending, now key also caught. Shiva Parvati, you can take LT, but hopefully you will get the seat. 470 you are getting. Why to wait? If by chance, if it will not come, then where you will go? 3-4 months will be wasted now. 3-4 months will be wasted now. So if you are, this is what I'm trying to tell. Yeah, okay, bye. Remaining people, those who have any doubt in their mind, sir, I'm getting. If you are close to the border, you are smart people. Close to the border, you will wait up to stray round, last round of counseling. By chance, if you don't get the seat, 3 months will be wasted. So if you are at the border, two things. Those who have got less than 400, they are fully confident. Sir, I will not get the seat. Depending on their cutoff. Yeah, depending on their cutoff. Those who are getting much more marks less than the cutoff, they know that they will not get the seat and they have started studying. I'm saying they have started studying. But those who are nearby of cutoff, borderline, they are in dilemma. No, never have the dilemma in your life. You want to become doctor, 470 coming, 460 coming, 455 coming, 480 coming. You are on the border. Once you are on the border, you have chance of getting seat also, not getting also. Getting will make you very happy, but not getting after 3 months of waiting will make you very sad. So don't wait now. 3 months if you study, what will happen? 3 months if you don't study, you will wait for the seat. You will do 3 months? You will just time pass. You will do in your home. You will do just time pass. But if seat will not come, what will happen? So my point is, those who are getting less marks, don't wait. Much more marks less than the cutoff, don't wait now. अगर डॉक्टर बनना है, एमबीबीएस बनना है, तो स्टार्ट कर दो प्रिपरेशन. आई एम नॉट सेइंग टू जॉइन गोसलाइट्स ऑल, एनीवेयर जहां तुम्हारी बुद्धि काम करे, वेयर यू थिंक, वेयर यू कैन बिकम डॉक्टर, नेक्स्ट ईयर ज्वाइन देयर, स्टार्ट स्टडिंग. एंड दोज हु आर नियर टू द कट ऑफ, डोंट वेट फॉर द सीट. पढ़ाई स्टार्ट कर दो. Seat will come, chala happy. Even if it will not come, you are well prepared for next year. So this is my advice to all of you. If any problem is there, myself is AKD sir, and you can do me WhatsApp call. Generally I don't lift WhatsApp because okay, so many things will be there. On WhatsApp you can send 958. After a long time I am writing my name also, my phone number also. This is my number. You can do WhatsApp. I will not reply instantaneously, but I will reply. And पढ़ाई स्टार्ट करो भाई. डॉक्टर बनना है तो बनना है, खत्म. 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल परवा ले दो. 18 years you see Virat Kohli waited for 18 years now. He should have taken retirement from IPL. See the power of patience. 18 years waited. 18 years that guy waited. He was young. Now he became old. But waited now. Happiness came now. So 1-2 years parwa le do. 1-2 years parwa le do. मेहनत करो. Start working. Tata, bye bye. Sometimes life check your patience. Don't give up in front of that thing. Have the patience, work hard, get it. No problem. Yeah. Definitely pattern you can get. So this is how we have talked about. More situations from here we'll be talking in the next class. Chalo QR code bhi le lo. Yeah. That is the power of patience. Some people get success in the beginning only. Some people take time. But we always see finally what they achieved. Finally, you'll become doctor, maybe 2 years, 3 years. Some people are doing 4th long term also. In YouTube, I see people doing 7th long term also, but they get seat. That is finally what we see. That is the finally that we see. So that finally, if you have that feeling to become doctor, don't wait. पढ़ाई start करो, मेहनत करो. Tata, bye bye, bye bye, bye. Nasar Katappa correct.